poppin', everyone? Adama here, and this is the QCY T1. Now, they're wireless earbuds that actually remind me a lot about the Samsung Galaxy Buds. So in this video, I just want to do a quick unboxing of these and give you basically a first look at these earbuds. So let's get into it. So in my excitement to have gotten these via Jumia, I bought them for about 4,000 naira. I actually rushed off and peeled off the first covering, but then there's nothing much you've missed. It's just this box that encloses this other box, and it's just a standard cardboard box. Then you now open it up, and you are greeted with the earbuds first of all. Okay, now I've said it a lot that these look like the Samsung Galaxy Buds a lot, and people have asked me why I actually think that. Well, I'll talk about it in my impressions video. For now, let me see what else is in the box. Okay, so over here we have a micro USB cord. Okay, the instruction manual, which is in 2 languages if I'm correct, Chinese and English. Wait, is this Chinese? Please, if you know what language this is, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, and there's one more thing here. Okay, so some replaceable ear tips. Oh wow, that's very thoughtful of them. Okay, so that's about everything in the box. So let's talk about these earbuds. Now, these earbuds are very good looking in my opinion. Look very nice. This case is actually a very unique case. So you see over here, QCY T1s. Okay, so standard micro USB ports over here, and that's all. And then these earbuds, so can you actually make the mistake of replacing them in the wrong place? So okay, so you don't even need to worry, because the wrong side will not enter the wrong side. Well, that's been it for this quick unboxing. Let me know in the comment sections what you think, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
I just like the sound.